want to show you how to show a calculated field. Like you make your own custom field, you have calculated something, some logic, then you want to show it on your admin page. So first we need to calculate our field. So what we are going to do here, let me first migrate the database. So I'll just call Python manage.py, make migrations to migrate, then Python manage.py migrate into migrate here. So you can run our survey again. So we can see here, can come here to our questions model, question model. So you can see these fields here. So we are going to define a custom stuff, a custom field, some custom logic. So you're going to say define. We're going to call it discounting. We're going to call it this discount and discount price. So we're going to call self then to go self. Then we're going to say, want to run some logic here. If self dot is discount is equal to true, what should we do? We should say, we should call self dot price minus self dot discount. So I'm going to call it here. I'm going to just call it the discount will equal to self dot price minus self dot discount. So here we're going to say, want to initialize discount is equal to 0. So then if self dot that, so what we're going to return, we're going to return the discount. So now this is our custom logic we have put here. So what we do, if you come here to the polls and you refresh, you will not see anything there. So first what we're going to do here is to register admin.site.register. We're going to register our questions model. So when we register our questions model, we have already imported it from here. So if we refresh here, it will appear here. Questions model appears here, questions. So here we have only questions. That is the only thing here, we have questions. So this is the way it's doing it. What if you wanted to add other rows here? Okay, if you don't understand what I'm saying, just wait and see rows here. So what we do, we make a new class. So we're going to call it class, then we're going to call it question admin site. So it's going to inherit from admin dot it's going to inherit from admin dot model admin. So what we do, we specify the model to equal to question. After specifying the model equal to question, we shall call the list display to equal to the list that we want to be displayed. So we're going to say list display. Let's go to our models. What do you want to display? We want to display question text, pub date, price. Let's say question text, then pub date, then price, and then discount price. So discount price is our new, the logic we put here. So we're going to say discount price. So what to do again, we have to specify the fields. So we shall say fields, the fields that you want to appear. So we shall say fields fields will equal to that. So we shall to be the same fields that we want to appear here. Price, can copy this here. Then what the additional fields we want to appear, we can say is good, discount, is good, discount, then is discount. So we shall say is good, discount, discount. And we can also appear here, we have is good, is discount, is discount, discount. So we can save and then we can refresh here. It's kind of being slow, so let's try to refresh here. So we have refreshed. So what I've forgotten here, you come here and you have to add here the question admin site when you're registering the question. So let's refresh. I'm getting an error. There's no error, so it's going to refresh. So you can see. So now let's go over the code one more time. Fields, they specify, these fields specify this. When I try to add a new question, these are the fields I've specified and it comes in order. So if let me say I want to remove, let me say price, so I can come here and I come here to fields and I just remove price from here. If the moment I exclude price, it will also get excluded. This price here will get excluded. So if I refresh, the price has gotten excluded. So that's what the fields do. So so let's just make a new question here. Who is going to be the next president of USA? So you can say we posted it today now, and so discount price, so we can now save it. Price, we can say it's $100. So let's save. So this is the now list display. List display is this that you want to be displayed. That is a list display. Where we stop now, what is going to be then, who's going to be the next president of the US or US. So this is list display. List display is what comes here. These things: question, text, date, published, price, discount, price. So if we come here and then let me say we remove price from here, so here you can see that this price is going to go away. So it has gone away. Or we can just put it back here. Price has appeared back. So that is price. So we can now add another. We can call it list filter. So how is that list going to be filtered? So if you say list filter, then you say it's going to be filtered by pub date. So if we save here, then you come here, you can see there is nothing like a filter. So if we save, you can see a filter has appeared here. This filter which can be date published. So you can add other filters. You can filter it by price. So if you put price, another one will appear. You can see by price. If you want to filter, let me say by discount, another one will appear by discount. So that is how you simply do it. Now if you want to put a search field here to help you in searching, so here you can see there is no search field. So what you can do, you can come here to the next line, then put search field, then equal the search field to being, let me say question text. So if you save here, search field, I think this is supposed to be a plural here. search fields when you save here. Yeah, I misspelled fields. So if you save here, you can see a search field has appeared and it searches by question text. So if I say USA and then I search, then it will appear. Now if I put here price and then I save, price, and then let me say I put the price of 50. Who's going to be the next president of USA? It's who will be the president's daughter's son that has the price of 50. So simply that's how you can play around with that.